Do you want to know how to improve your web browsing experience? This video will show you how to clear your browser cache in Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Clearing your browser cache is a simple maintenance step that can resolve common website issues and improve performance. Let's get started. A browser cache is a collection of temporary files, like images and site data, that your browser stores to speed up future visits to websites. Over time, this data can become outdated or corrupt, leading to errors. Clearing the cache forces your browser to download the latest version of a website, resolving issues like outdated content, formatting problems, or slow load times. The process for clearing the cache is very similar for both Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. We'll walk through the steps for each one, starting with Chrome. First, for Google Chrome, click the three-dot More Tools icon in the top right corner of your browser window. In the drop-down menu, hover over More Tools, and then click Clear Browsing Data. In the pop-up window, ensure the Cached Images and Files option is checked. You may want to uncheck other options like Browsing History or Cookies and other site data if you wish to keep them. From the Time Range drop-down menu at the top, select a range. For best results in fixing issues, we recommend choosing All Time to clear everything. Finally, click the Clear Data button, and your Chrome cache will be cleared. Now, let's move on to Microsoft Edge. The process is almost identical, but the menu names are slightly different. In Microsoft Edge, click the three-dot icon in the top right, which is labeled Settings and More. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy, Search, and Services in the left-hand navigation pane. Under the Clear Browsing Data section, you'll see a button that says Choose What to Clear. Click this to open the Clear Data options. Similar to Chrome, ensure that Cached Images and Files is checked in the pop-up window and uncheck anything else you want to keep, like passwords or history. Use the Time Range drop-down to select how far back you want to clear the cache. Selecting All Time is usually best for troubleshooting. Once your options are set, click the Clear Now button to complete the process. Clearing your browser cache is a key habit for maintaining smooth and error-free browsing. If you still encounter issues, you might need to check your network or try other troubleshooting steps. Enjoy the benefits of faster load times, fewer website errors, and the assurance you're viewing the most current version of any web page.